Hey everyone! Welcome back to If you're curious about Bitcoin and want to learn how to buy it safely step by step, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking it down for you. Clear, simple, and beginner-friendly. We're talking about one of the hottest topics in finance right now, Bitcoin. So stick around till the end because I'm also sharing essential tips to avoid scams. Okay, let's break down the basics. What exactly is Bitcoin? In simple terms, Bitcoin is like digital gold. It's a digital currency, meaning it only exists online, like that skin you might buy in your favorite video game. But unlike in-game currency, Bitcoin isn't controlled by a company. It's decentralized, which means no banks or governments control it. It's completely run by a network of computers around the world. People use Bitcoin for online transactions, kind of like a digital version of cash. You can buy things online and some stores even accept it in person. Many people are buying Bitcoin as an investment, hoping its value will increase over time. Now, before you go all in, it's important to remember that Bitcoin is volatile. Its price can go up or down quickly, even within a single day. That's why buying it safely is super important, especially for young investors. Alright, before we jump into buying Bitcoin, we need to talk about safety. This is crucial, especially for first-time investors. Think of it like learning to drive. Before you get behind the wheel, you need to know the rules of the road, right? First and foremost, research reputable platforms. Only buy Bitcoin from trusted cryptocurrency exchanges. These are like the established banks of the crypto world. I recommend sticking with well-known exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance US. They've been around for a while, have millions of users, and are generally considered safe and reliable. Next up, avoid scams. This is a big one. If something sounds too good to be true, like guaranteed profits or someone randomly messaging you promising to double your Bitcoin, it's probably a scam. Remember, there's no such thing as a free lunch, especially in the world of cryptocurrency. Use strong passwords. When you sign up for an exchange account, create a unique and secure password. Don't use the same password you use for other accounts. A strong password is your first line of defense against hackers. Enable two-factor authentication. This is also known as 2FA, and it adds an extra layer of security to your account. When you enable 2FA, you'll need to enter a special code from your phone or email every time you log in. This makes it much harder for hackers to access your account. Alright, now that we've covered the safety basics, let's dive into the actual steps to buy Bitcoin safely. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Step 1. Choose a trusted exchange. Remember those reputable platforms we talked about? Now it's time to pick one. For beginners, I recommend starting with Coinbase. It's user-friendly, has a clean interface, and is perfect for first-time buyers. Go to their website or download the app and create an account. You'll need to verify your identity, which usually involves uploading a photo of your ID. Step 2. Link your payment method. Once your account is set up, you'll need to link a payment method. This could be your debit card, bank account, or even a PayPal account. Now, for teens, this might involve talking to a parent or guardian for help. Remember, it's always best to involve your parents or guardians when it comes to investing. They can provide valuable guidance and make sure everything is done safely and responsibly. Step 3. Secure your account. Before you even think about buying Bitcoin, go into your account settings and enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It adds that extra layer of security we talked about. Step 4. Buy Bitcoin. Now for the exciting part. Once your account is set up and secure, go to the buy-sell section of the exchange. Enter the amount you want to invest in Bitcoin. Remember, start small, especially if you're new to this. I recommend starting with a small amount that you're comfortable potentially losing. Think of it like buying a coffee or a meal, something you wouldn't stress about too much. Step 5. Store your Bitcoin safely. Congratulations, you've officially bought Bitcoin. Now, it's important to store it safely. When you buy Bitcoin on an exchange, it's usually kept in what's called a custodial wallet, meaning the exchange is holding on to it for you. For beginners, this is perfectly fine. Now that you know how to buy Bitcoin, you might be wondering, how much should I actually invest? This is a personal decision, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your financial situation, your risk tolerance, and your investment goals. For teens, I recommend starting small. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Remember, Bitcoin is volatile. Its price can go up, but it can also go down. Don't invest your entire savings account or money you need for school or other important expenses. Think of it like learning a new skill or hobby. You wouldn't expect to become a professional athlete or musician overnight, right? It takes time, practice, and patience. The same goes for investing. Alright, before we wrap up, let's go over some common mistakes new investors make. These are like potholes in the road of investing. Let's avoid them, shall we? Mistake number 1. Investing too much too soon. I know it's tempting to go all in, especially when you see the price of Bitcoin going up. But remember, slow and steady wins the race. Start small, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience. Mistake number 2, falling for scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of anyone promising guaranteed returns or asking you to send them Bitcoin directly. Stick to reputable exchanges and do your research. Mistake number 3, forgetting about fees. Exchanges charge fees for transactions, just like your bank might charge a fee for using an ATM. Always check the fee schedule before you buy or sell Bitcoin. These fees can eat into your profits, so be aware of them. And there you have it, how to buy Bitcoin safely, step by step. I hope this video helps you take your first steps into the world of cryptocurrency. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more investing tips made just for teens. Have questions or want to see more videos on Bitcoin? Drop a comment below, and I'll be sure to reply. Until next time, happy investing. Don't forget to hit that notification.